The first person, James Gilach.
Yeah.
James Gilach.
Chata.
Yeah, the Kelwechi's slogan sela sa gagwe se berekisang down radio station. James Gilach, the eminent guy with the sleepy guy, sleepy eye, something like that. Gilach James, we want you. James Matlangu. Tumi Mikwane. Yeah, we have to talk to Tumi, man. I have a lot of questions for her. We have to make time. She's always not around, but when she's, I don't know, we will make time. Tumi Mikwane.
Yeah.
And who's on your mind? Mtalana, Tipslation. He's a producer of the music.
Yeah.
And then Chris Magega from Spaku, Bamija Selma Dask. He's a top-notch deep house DJ, that guy.
Yeah.
Hey yo, what up, Chiro? It's been a minute. We back. Another special edition. Chiro.
Cheers, my friend.
Yeah, it's been a minute, Chiro. And it's been time since I've seen you. Yeah, a lot has been happening. What has been happening in your life, Chiro? Dinta. Keep on fit. What has been happening in your life, bro? Keep on. We're busy, lang, Chiro.
La striker.
Yeah, actually, a lot has been happening in the past few months.
Yes.
A lot of things has been happening. Yeah, this is South Africa. A lot of things happen. So, Chiro, yeah, man, have you noticed or this winter is too cold? It's not like any other winter. But good winter. Or notice it?
Yeah,
snow swile Gauteng. Eastern Cape.
Yeah, I saw Eastern Cape.
No, it's swile Gauteng. Josie London. Yeah, this winter is cold. It was too cold and it's still cold, and then we have never experienced winter like this. And I don't remember any winter which was cold like this. Chiro, have you late not ranyane strong. We know makajo per skip us. Guys, it's too cold. Please wear warm so that you don't get sick, get flu. It's very cold. We have entered the season of August, but it's still winter. The season have changed, so it's too cold. So wear warm. So yeah, it was season koma ifitile. Shoba fana ba ibablaile pifukara because it was too cold.
I even know to nya ukuru kare.
Yeah. What do you think of the gas explosion which happened in Jozi? For a lady. Yeah, I'm not sure it but it was in 4 years, maybe 4 years later. I'm not sure what happened. And then I don't really understand what happened about gas explosion underground. Like, doesn't make sense to me. Maybe someone who does chemistry and understand. I don't understand or what happened. Or, Did you see that video? It's like an earthquake.
Earthquake. China
China is very quick in resolving problems. It's not like South Africa.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was just something else. Gas exploding underground and then boom. So if there's gas underground, what does the gas do underground? What's the purpose of the gas being underground? Like, I have a lot of questions because I have no idea. I have no idea. A lot of things are happening in Jozi. There was an earthquake again. Yeah, before explosion, there was really snow. Snow, I understand it's winter. Earthquake. You don't know about the earthquake?
That's a
Yeah, a lot of things have been happening here. Earthquake in Johannesburg, snow in Johannesburg, recently gas explosion. But anyway, yeah, that is, I don't know, it's just life, man. Yeah, anyway, when it comes to good news, Banyana Banyana.
Yeah. Oh, Banyana.
Yeah, man, did you watch the game?
Because we papale.
Italy.
Yeah.
You win 3-2, I think. Ne? It's got like the last minute. I also didn't watch. I saw the highlights, more Facebook, TV, WhatsApp statuses everywhere. It was trending. Big up to Banyana Banyana. You are doing good rather than more than the other guys. You know, we are proud of you. Any message to Banyana Banyana Chief?
I wrote to the flag of South Africa.
Yeah, man.
Keep
on doing us great. Keep on representing the country well. Yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah, man. This is just gonna be a short clip because Carl Rao shooter. Do you think is there anything we're missing out here? We're not saying. I feel like there's something we're missing. I'm not sure what can it be.
Maybe kita baca di netball.
Oh yes, South Africa is hosting netball World Cup in Cape Town.
Yes.
Just that I don't follow the matches and everything, but I just know what. Do you understand netball? Jamaicans are more like Nigerians, I guess. Physical structure.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. It's winning Jamaica. Yeah, do you understand netball? Because I'm not sure. I think Asia, but it's not Africa. Yeah, I'm 100% sure it's not an African country.
Okay. But what was about Africa?
Yeah, I'm a Jamaica, so I'm African, but it's not an African country. Jamaica, come on,
oh,
yeah. Get research or where is Jamaica from, but they look African. They look Nigerian, most of them. Why do you think we Africans, not Africans, South Africans, have small bodies as compared to other African nations? If you go to Nigeria, they have big muscles. Zimbabwe, big muscles. Zambia, big muscles, tall. You come to South Africa, Botswana, we like smaller people. It's genes.
The giant.
Yeah, very giant, those people. And
South Africa is very careful.
Ne?
But what about you? Just
Jollof gang. Yeah, otherwise, yeah, man. It's Women's Month. Banyana Banyana is winning. And when we're hosting South Africa netball World Cup, any message to the ladies, man? It's Women's Month, my friend.
Yeah, for my sister.
What's special about Basadi?
Basadi ba bohlokwa haholo fete ba tlisitse mo lefatsheng fete taba tse botse fete ke be se ka bona ke bre se mo fete.
Yeah. Yeah, we thank you, ladies. This is your month.
Yes.
I don't know what you should do to celebrate Women's Month, but this is your month. We need a lady into the show today because it's Women's Month. Someone.
But I'll look next time.
Yeah, I'm thinking of Lev because she's very vocal and she's a lady and then. Yeah, she talks like she talks a lot. So
yes.
If you are interested and you wanna come, it's Women's Month and you're a woman, a lady, you're welcome. Chiro, I think we should list the number of people we want on our show, the names of people whom we think they should come to our show.
Yeah.
Well, who's the first person who we should invite? Some we invited, but some they are busy, some they don't get time.
some more rich ba bang ke
Who's the first person who you want
at the moment
from interview? Now I'm thinking the first person, James Skilach. James Skilach. Yeah, the slogan sila sa kakas workshan da radio station. James Skilach, the eminent guy with the sleepy guy, sleepy eyes, something like that. Skilach James, we want you. James Matangu. Tumi Mikwana. Yeah, we have to talk to Tumi, man. I have a lot of questions for her. We have to make time. She's always not around, but when she's, I don't know, we will make time. Tumi Mikwana.
Yeah.
And who's on your mind? Ntalana, Tipslation. He's a producer of the music.
Yeah.
And then Chris Magega from Spaku, Pamija Selma Dask. He's a top-notch deep house DJ, that guy.
Yeah.
You go DJ. That guy is good. Your favorite too. Shakes R. Yeah, man. Joe, come on. I can't think of alone. Stella Mahlangu Kabo Ayan Renza my cake. We want you. Yeah, man. Come on, Chiro. You can't tell me you can't think of anyone. You can't. Or else I Valamfana. You can't. You can't think of anyone, zero. You couldn't even think of Mawili. Someone you know personally in history, I didn't know anything till Ntalanar suggested. Chiro guys young disappoint. Yeah, Chiro, I'm gonna find a replacement for you. Go for it and then fire you and then get someone else.
Amarakele da ke
joking.
We le ka fu ba machine mara ho tsa ba do check and
But who do you wish to have on our show? That person doesn't have to be interesting or to be doing something special. Even a random normal person. Maybe one, maybe come approach. Let's do this, man. Or who would you like to come back? Violet. Yeah, I would like for that guy to come back. This guy got events management. He has a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience, and I think a lot of people are gonna gain a lot of things from him. Tirile, we need you, my man.
Kibag.
Kitirile. Udirile. Oh, Udirile. Makwana. Prayer Violet. He mentioned a lot of guys too much. I think even ladies. Yeah, there are a few names which in Talana suggested. Just that Kilevich Amang, I have to go back to the WhatsApp voice note and send it into a check. Talana Tlaninga, man. Don't you go shoot a Luini? Come on, Khalo speech. Or Runyaga Kumblika. Yeah. You for real you couldn't even think of a single name, Joe.
Next time we can talk like and what to be checking.
Chiro team. I'm so glad Lisa a team, yeah. And then I want Alson, man. Makwana, man. Alson, man. I want Ephraim or Jiga, I don't know, but Lena, I want him. Those like are the community, people who are active in the community. It's Makwana, it's Ephraim. And then Mukavan, I'd like to interview Mukavan. Bafana Mukavan also. He does some nice things. And the list is long again. Yeah. Some people were interviewed. Otherwise, okay. We're wasting time. Chiro, Valelis, I'm so Katie. Word of the day. Before Valelis, what is your word of the day?
Word of the day, Boske.
Word of the day. Word of the day is like an advice, the general advice you would give to anyone out there.
Okay. The word of the day for a Banyana.
Oh, black girl. Oh, black girl.
Exact, ya botsa Banyana Banyana ya di busha mfowethu. Salute Banyana Banyana.
My word of the day. Whoever hates you, like, move on with life. Like, people will always hate you.
Love them, but trust no one.
Yeah, at least that is your word of the day. Not my word of the day. Whoever hates you, don't care, man. People will hate you like you. It's life.
Yeah,
It's not like everyone's gonna like you. Otherwise,
sibonge emakhaya.
Ivale mfana.